Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, keyless ignition, heated steering wheel, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2017 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.